Today, you will learn how to use the page features and the pocket features in the FreeCAD. So open your FreeCAD and let's go. Open the parametric part and select the Edit, Reference, and change the default unit system to standard millimeters. Apply and press OK. The first step, go to Create a Sketch, select Wax Z plane, the front plane, select the polyline, and make this sketch here. We'll put the dimensions later, okay? We have this. Now select the dimensions. The dimensions here is 10 millimeters. The distance between this line here and this line here is 10 millimeters. The distance between these two lines here is 50 millimeters. The distance here, 30 millimeters. And the distance here, 15 millimeters. Okay, we have this. Now go to Constraints, select the horizontal vertical, select this point here and this point here. Now select the constraints equal, select this line here and this line here. Now select this line here and this line here. It is missing one dimension. Go to dimension again. The distance here is 10 millimeters. Okay. Now leave the sketch and select the pad. The pad features extrude a 2D sketch along a direction to create a solid volume. It's used to edge material, okay? And here select the symmetric to plane, and the length here is 25 millimeters. Press OK. We made this, okay? Now the step 2, go select this face here and go to create a sketch again. Let me rotate this. Now select the circle. Make a circle here in this line with 10 millimeters of diameter. Okay. Let me rotate here a little bit. Now go to dimension. The distance between the circle and the midpoint here is 20 millimeters. Press OK. Now close the task here. And now select the pocket features. The pocket features remove material from an existing solid using a 2D sketch. So it is used to remove material. And here we will change the type to through all. So it will make a hole here through all this body. Okay. And press OK. Here we finish your exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next video. Bye bye.